What's going on, everyone? This is your man Ant, and welcome back to part 2 of the Bitmain Antminer KS3 video. In this part, we're going to discuss profitability. Bitmain does not disappoint when it comes to power of their miners. You're going to get your bang for your buck. Speaking of bucks, you're going to need a lot just to have the KS3. For the current price point, I could buy a 2020 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Now, let's discuss profitability. During the unboxing segment, I did say we will run the mine for 5 days. The Antminer KS3 hash rate is 9.4 terahash, and while testing the mine, within 30 minutes, average never fell below 9.4 terahash. We plugged the miner in late in the day on September 9th, so we did not get a full 24 hours on that day, and added another miner to our shells on the 15th before unplugging this one. So data on these 2 days will not be accurate. So for this video, we only be looking at KASPA coins mined from September 10th to the 14th. For those days, we have mined around 7,300 to 7,700 KASPA coins per day, totaling at 37,632.95 KASPA coins, which at today's coin value of the recording of this video is 0.0491 per coin. That means we made around $1,850 USD. We want to be absolutely transparent with our viewers. This machine performed better than we expected. Despite the hefty price tag, we are going to make our money back within 3.5 months if difficulty remains at the current rate. Now I want to be clear, the difficulty for a miner will likely continue to increase in the next 2 to 3 months. But even then, we should still be able to make our money back within the next 5 months. As the mining difficulty increases, return on investment will be longer, but current buyers should still expect return on investment under 10 months, which is better than most investments out there. This has been the profitability of the Bitmain Antminer KS3. This is your man Ant with BT Miners. I will see you next time. Happy mining.